We don't necessarily have a stack of tools, and I'm not necessarily sure throwing a stack of tools at the problem would be the best solution. So there is an upstream product called WindUp, and WindUp is very good at taking Java applications and seeing how compliant they are to the JW standards. So there are a number of different vendors out there. Red Hat, we're very open source focused, so therefore we don't build proprietary extensions into anything we deliver. And what this tool allows you to look at is your existing Java applications and seeing how clean or how close they are to the standards. What would need to be rewritten, what wouldn't need to be rewritten. And generally there's very close correlation between what you need to change in your application. So you can see what's identified and that needs to be changed, and that's a really useful tool. We also have what's known in Red Hat as raw. And raw is the ability to take applications that you're currently working in struts or Spring and now deploy those into OpenShift. So that means that extends the life of some of your applications written in non-JEE, if you like. And Red Hat have an awful lot of experience of working with customers in this area, and we have a huge professional services background to this, and we can offer experience and capability because we've done this so many times for